045 Records. URP.
Scott Styles Beats.com.
Me and Philly, man, we got it back.
All I do is work before I handle business. Out here trying to make it. It's survival of the fittest. It's go hard or go home. And I ain't never going home. I go hard, bitch, I'm on. And I'm forever going strong. I've been up, I've been up, I've been down. Still the hardest working motherfucker around. Cause it's go hard or go home. And I ain't never going home. I go hard, bitch, I'm on. And I'm forever going strong, yeah.
Light me up and I spit this flame. Hell yeah, I'm a dragon. Fill me up with gossip, bitch, I'ma choke you with my talent. I haven't been around, but baby, yeah, I'm back in action. Got 10 rock, I'm passing by, not stand at attention. I'm a grown man putting work, and I do it for my wife. Put money in her purse, and I'ma put it in her twice. Sugar for my spice, and I'm her toy, I'm her device. She loves it when she bites, and her bite is so precise. One more time, I'm doing work, I'm fulfilling my life. Get money from a clerk with a debit, not a knife. I don't wanna waste my time, now I roll the fucking dice. But I ain't a fucking thief, I'm a sight for sore eyes, yeah. I'm one of the fittest, as God is my witness. I stay strong to the fullest, yeah. Now I'm back with Philly, we go hard for the trans part 3 on you bitches.
I'm coming from. Do you know demons? So summon one. Get your hands on a fucking gun. Do yourself a favor and shoot yourself. Check me out, I'm back from hell. Tell Nicki Minaj just to pound the alarm. Armies disarm their weapons to harm when I'm striking from the dark. I'm P-Star, I'm UIP. I started rap when I was 14. Now I'm 21, so that's 7 years. And I'm still doing this, just ripping beats. I've been through shit like a plumber. I've been beat much more than a drummer. I was so dumb when I was younger, to a point where I couldn't get any dumber. So I'm realer than most. I get shit popping like popcorn. I'm the shit, now I say it proud. I came up from the bottom, from a high like that came crashing down to taking off like a rocket. Now I got a will that's invincible, simply no one can stop it now. Rapping harder than a natural disaster, karma, I'm calmer. They spied the man like Peter Parker. That's when I turned the game darker. Now it's laughter to my haters and real love to my real friends. Real talk, I love the city like my mother loves her children.
All I do is work before I handle business. Out here trying to make it.
It's survival of the fittest.